very best place that you could be. Hey, it's Lamb Chops, play along with kids. Come to play along and fun things that worry ever do. Yeah, it's Lamb Chops, play along. Come join the kids and play along. We got a lot of good stuff for you. Make a muscle, squeeze it tight. Really squeeze with all your might. Now the other arm. Let me see just how strong you've grown to be. Make two muscles, left and right. Come on and pump it up. Out of sight. Hey, you're getting strong. Now let's go back to this song. Lamb Chops, play along with kids. Come to play along and fun things that we ever do. Yeah, it's Lamb Chops, play along. Join the kids and play along. We got a lot of good stuff.
Mama? Mama?
Yes, cowboy. Look at me. Look at me.
Who's actually looking like up here?
Tell me where we are.
We're at the pony rides.
Walk around and show me the animals and tell me about them. Okay?
So come with me.
Okay, I'm following you. Go ahead. What's that? Go ahead, climb over those wooden things.
Oh, yeah.
What is that, Mike?
You want to come with me, Mom?
Yeah, I'll come with you.
Come.
Okay. What is that?
Oh, here. There's something in
Is that
there
a sheep?
Not today.
Is that a sheep?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. No, it's not. It's a goat.
He likes to eat leaves. See? Watch. What does the goat say, Mom?
What does a goat say?
Maa. Does it say maa?
I don't know exactly the noise that a goat makes.
What?
Let's go around and look at the sheep.
Where?
Take me around to where the sheep are.
I can't see it.
This way. Well, Bob, what do you think? Are you going to get on that horse? Are you going to get on that horse, Bobby?
Yeah.
Want to go on the pony? Let's sit on the pony.
Mike, come here, watch. The girl's riding that pony around on the merry-go-round there. Yeah, come watch. Well, the boys won't get on the horse. Michael was all psyched till he got here, and he won't get on it. Maybe next time.
Mike, come on up.
What's that? The sheep? Don't swing that at him. He might not like that. Take me over by that pig. Show me that pig. Please don't swing that. You're going to hit somebody, honey.
This huge thoroughbred. They're a little nervous about that one. Come up here, let's go see if we can see the sheep.
You want to get down and walk around to pull her down, you can do that. But she's not going to walk. What are you showing me over here? Meg, what are you showing me over here?
I'm looking at something.
What you looking at? What you looking at, Mike?
There we go. I got her on one. Well, do you want to watch me get on my own horse? Mama, am I gonna put all these horses on?
Well, just as many horses as kids who want to ride them. Now this little girl has ridden horses before. She comes here for pony camp.
She camps here?
Well, she doesn't camp here. They call it pony camp when you come like once a week and you stay for a couple of hours and ride the horses and stuff. Now that little baby girl is going on up there too.
Mama, do you want to go on? Do you want to go on one of them?
I don't think those horses, I think I'm too big for those horses. I might hurt their backs.
Okay.
But I would go on a big horse.
But where is there a big horse, Mom?
Just set them on top, okay?
I don't think they have them around here.
You ready, Megan? Yep.
Oh, let's watch them go on the merry-go-round. This should be fun.
Hey, Casey, can I come walk by you?
Hey, that's terrific, Mike.
Girl.
You look like you belong on a horse.
Hold on to the saddle.
Brownie.
I know where they are.
Yeah, that.
I'm not going to try.
Yeah, Michael tried, and he's doing a terrific job.
Look, John. Look, John, she said. I know her. She said, tell her watching you. She said, look, John.
Hold on to the saddle.
Michael, look at Mommy and say howdy.
I'm not going to try.
Yeah, Michael's taking a try.
I'm not going to try. I'm going to try.
Your Bubba wants to try?
Yeah.
Okay. After Michael's done, Bubba can try.
I see.
See, everybody looks happy. Those are nice horses.
I see.
Yeah. You see a lady?
I see lady.
Really gets into it. Yes, she does.
Take it, Daddy.
She rides a lot, though, so she's...
Yippee,
Doesn't she ride quite a bit down here?
Oh, should they come every Sunday morning
Oh.
and spend at least an hour?
Well, Karen...
No, Mom. It's a baby. It's a Bobby's baby.
Mm-hmm. Bobby's baby. What's your baby's name? Is it?
Oh, this. I'll take it. I'll take it. Mommy. Mommy,
Yeah.
I'll take it.
You can't, you're trying not to take the whoopee off? Is it stuck? Did you change the baby's diaper?
Yeah.
Do you want to do it again? For the
I'll
camera?
take it.
Okay,
I'll take it.
wait just a second. What are you doing, Bob?
Cheese baby.
Changing the diaper?
Yeah.
You taking care of your baby? What a good daddy you are. Do you want to give your baby a kiss?
I want it. I'll change diaper.
You want to change the diaper? I like how gentle you are with your baby.
Uh-huh.
Do you want to give your baby a kiss?
I'll change diaper in the baby.
Okay, you want to change the diaper on the baby?
Yeah.
Is that Boober?
Yeah.
You take good care of him, don't you? You cleaning his tummy? Do you want to clean his nose? Clean the baby's nose. And clean the baby's hair.
Oh, it's a big hair.
And how about the baby's foot? Do you want to clean the baby's foot?
Yeah.
Good job. Do you want to clean the baby's hands?
Yeah.
You want to give your baby a kiss on the tummy? Go ahead, give the baby a kiss on the tummy.
On the eyes.
On the eyes. How old are you now?
2.
Yeah. Do you want to count with me?
Yeah.
1,
2. 1. 2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
In the baby.
I love you, Bobby.
Yeah, Mama.
You love me too? You're doing a wonderful job. Do you love your baby?
Yeah.
Do you have Mickey Mouse on your shirt?
I want to try, look.
You want to try and look? Do you want to see Bobby on the TV? Or do you want to see Mikey on the TV on the horse, on the ponies?
I want to on the ponies.
Okay, I love you, Bobby. I love you, Bobby.
Yeah, Mom.
Okay, bye. Bye.
Bye, Mom.
In my bag, I'll give them to you on the plane. Here's 3 more. Not now, Kevin. What's the gate number?
817, sir.
Thank you. Hey, you better hurry up. It's the last gate, all the way down.
Yeah, what gate is it?
817, bud. Come on. Kevin, you gonna take my bag? You gonna take my bag? Come on.
Daddy's dead, Mama.
What are you guys watching?
American Airlines Flight 226 to New York is
Home
now...
Alone.
Look at me.
Mike,
Her baby's back.
what's your baby's name? Do you think he's cold?
Mom, you can give me a piece of gum, please? Excuse me, Mom. Mama,
Yes, honey.
give me a piece of gum, please.
You want your bottle, Bob? That's the baby's bottle.
My pet, you are my last hope.
That's the baby's bottle.
And wide. Search for a
You want your bottle?
teeth with hair of sunshine gold and lips red as the rose. Go.
Is it a doggy? Is it a doggy? Is it Droopy D?
Uh-huh.
Do you guys watch Droopy D? Careful, Mike. How are you, Blake? How tall are you now?
400 degrees.
How tall are you, Blake?
For real.
About 10 feet.
About 11 degrees.
Let me see your cute face under that hat there, Brett. Please. I promise not to kiss you when you leave.
Brett, look at Annette.
I'm putting the pies away. Hey, Brett. Your head's shaking behind me.
You look so grown up. You look like a big boy now. You don't look like a little kid anymore, you know that? What does your shirt say on it?
Where's your shirt? It's outside.
It's Odyssey.
Odyssey, Brett.
Odyssey, Brett. Gentle Mike. Hey, I like that. That looks good.
Mom, the phone is ringing.
Yeah, we'll let the machine get it. It's probably Mad Hatter. So where's Thomas? I heard you guys talking about Thomas Wires. Put your glasses on, Mike. And tell me where you're getting ready to go.
I'm getting ready to go to the boat.
What are you going to do? Bobby's got his life vest on
I'm
ready.
going to go try, go, go, go.
Let me see you guys dance. Dance together. Don't hit. Where are you going, Bob?
House.
You gonna go to the house? What house? I love you. They're watching themselves on the TV while
I'm gonna kick my monkey.
we sound like we're in a tin can. Don't kick, mister. Bob, you going on the boat? Have fun. Kisses for great grandma and great grandpa. Get your cars in there. Can we have some kisses, please? And hugs? What does a mommy say, Bobby?
No, no, no.
Say it nicely. What does a mommy say?
No, no, no.
What does a daddy say?
Okay. Gosh.
Michael, what does a daddy say? I'm still trying to snore. Bobby, what does a lion say? What happened to the car we saw on TV? What did the car do that we saw on TV? What does a snake say? Please take the car out of your mouth. What does a duck say?
Is he a pussy?
That's Percy. Is Percy a train?
Mm-hmm.
Is Percy your favorite train?
Say Michael.
Oh, Michael. And who's that? But Michael and New York Mets. And
I'm with the cars.
you know who they are.
Can you read it, Deja? Mikey's birthday.
Who's that from, Mike? From Uncle Lars and Aunt Debbie.
Pretty paper. Oh, Aladdin.
The
CD.
soundtrack from Aladdin.
Norman, can we hold
That's from Aunt Debbie and Uncle Lars.
Your presents over here.
Go ahead, don't worry about it.
I'll be right back.
Wait. Let's see who it's from. Annette, can you see who these are from, please?
You should open the cards first, Mike.
Trying to find something in the mornings until they've been working too. So he's gonna have to get up. Funny because I mean, it's like, oh, look at my babysitting. Babysitting didn't work. Oh boy! He's not home later. But it's like transferring to school. All right. Did they figure it out? Did they figure it out? That's why I think it's roasting, but it's like that's really
Come here.
Yeah, last night.
Yeah? So is he frozen?
Oh, yeah, he hasn't had a chance to ride it yet, though. We'll go home and ride it this afternoon.
Get him a helmet?
He has a helmet, yeah.
Careful for the baby there, Boober. I was home my son's home.
You gonna leave skid marks? Alright, go ahead. Now go back to Daddy.
Watch where you're going. Watch where you're going, not the camera. Watch where you're going. That's it.
Good.
Whoop, careful. Turn easy.
Turning around again, Papa.
Turning around again? Good. You got the knack of that turning around, huh?
Yeah.
You're doing that good, that turning around stuff.
This time I'm not going to stop.
Whoa, take a break. Break, right? Get up.
I ran off the grass.
Yeah, that's...
I ran off the road into the grass.
You should have done that before.
It's Mikey's new birthday bike.
All right, let's, Mike.
What?
Let's see you go all the way to the end, come around on this side. Listen. Go all the way around that way. Can you do that?
Well, there's sand on the other side.
Well, that's okay. It would be okay.
Stay off the sand. Go right.
Pedal.
Steer straight up to Daddy now. Keep going up to Daddy. Go ahead. Keep pedaling. Go up that hill. Give it the gas, Mike. Great.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
we love you and we miss you.
I gotta get the direction I want. I get out from here. Maybe you could help me down the stairs.
We wanted to send you a Mikey and Bobby's greatest hits tape
Maybe
for
you could help me
your
down
birthday.
the stairs.
Kind of threw it together at the last minute, so forgive the roughness of it.
You hold the book
But
like
we
it
want to wish you a happy birthday. Sit down, Bob.
You could have going down the stairs.
Is that good? Is that good?
You're not going down the stairs.
No, it's not.
Well, who's gonna help me down there then? Mama,
Yes?
this book belongs down the stairs.
Okay, we'll take care of it in a minute. Look in the camera. Say happy birthday, Grandpa Percy.
Happy birthday, Grandpa
Percy.
This guy. Well, you said Christine. Come on.
Ferry boat.
I have PMS and EST. That makes me a bitch who knows it all.
Bill, there's more folks than you. Share my point of view. They're worried if they're gonna sink or swim. Make a difference if you're gonna leave your mark. You can't follow like a bunch of sheep. You gotta listen to your heart. Go bust down like old John Wayne. Sometimes you got to go against the grain. Nothing will venture, nothing will gain. Sometimes you got to go against the grain.
Hey,
Doesn't happen.
Do it.
What
I
like
just
on
let
your
the
is-
tape play.
Do it.
Yeah, but that's the alcohol.
Yeah, one.
Now, other hairspray that have alcohol in it concentrate, right? This one has
Yes, ain't the law like she needed more than holding just a telephone. Mama called mama each and every night. Just
Bobby's
ask how she
tired.
was and
Oh, you're pinching my leg, huh?
they called it again when daddy.
Okay, Jeff. We kept you waiting long enough. Here's the big fishing boat you've heard all about.
This rock is very special.
How many feet is that boat?
Pretty nice, huh? Well, 17 if you stretch it.
17 feet. Deceiving from this angle, isn't it?
This is the lake boat.
That is
This is the lake boat.
the one from Fox.
The real boat's over there.
Hey, Papa. Okay, I'm ready. What do you about that?
This is the lake boat.
Okay.
How many feet is this one?
12 footer.
Let's see which storm blew this off. You know that? Remember that rainstorm and the windstorm? You remember it, Dad?
What are you looking for? What's under there?
It's jelly beans. Guess what else I found?
What?
A lollipop.
Let's go get
There's another one.
You better run inside and tell Daddy and Bobby to hurry up.
Here's more. I'll give Daddy Easter egg.
Okay, go hurry up. Tell him the Easter Bunny was here. Good morning, Bob. Happy Easter, honey. The Easter Bunny was here. Maybe Michael could show you where the baskets are. What you got there? What you got there?
Here's one up in the kitchen.
Show Bobby where the baskets are.
No.
I'm too interested in finding it. No. Yep, that's him. 1 year, 10 months. Oh, that must be me. 31 years, 9 months. Why'd you put my age in here? You didn't put yours. You put Michael's and mine and Bobby's, huh?
Well, he got the pension and then he goes out fishing.
Shall we all say Happy Easter?
Happy Easter. Happy Easter.
Shall we all sing In Your Easter Bonnet?
No, I think so.
Let's hear you,
I don't know,
dear.
shall we?
In your Easter bonnet, with all the frills upon it.
Easter 1993. You have to tell us what year it is.
How about Here Comes Peter Cottontail?
So I guess they never taught me that song.
How about Here Comes Peter Cottontail?
You did have, you know, a hat and have a picture of you.
What?
Here Comes Peter Cottontail?
You want us to sing? Everybody, we gotta sing a song.
When they really like,
I feel good.
about 4 or 5 years.
Mikey. You gotta sing it to you. Come here, Mikey. Michael. Baskets full of Easter joy.
Come on, you gotta get out.
You want your own share? I'll give you your own share. What do you want?
Good food.
Happy Easter.
Yeah, we took your chair out of here because it was in our way. If it's in our way, we get rid of it. So watch this step.
Babo,
We're gonna get rid of you.
what you got there?
Say hi.
Right? Nope.
Yeah.
Did you give Mikey a kiss? Give him a kiss, Babo. Make nice. Make nice. Nice. What are you doing, Bob? You cuddling up with your brother? Mike, are you really sleeping through all this? It's 7 o'clock at night and Michael shouldn't be sleeping anyway unless he's going to bed for the night. I guess he's not sleeping. I think he's trying to cuddle with you. Bobby, cuddle gently. Be gentle, cuddle. Gently. Make nice. Make nice. Make nice, Bob. Careful. Sit down. Sit down. Make nice. Bobby, you're gonna fall. You better sit down. Sit down. Give him a kiss. Nice, brother. Nice. Gentle, Bob. No, be gentle. Be gentle. Michael, don't bite! Mike, Bobby, what's Mikey doing?
Huh?
What's Mikey doing?
He's playing puddles.
He's playing puddles?
Mike, you're going to be so wet that you're not going to be able to go out.
Michael, where are you? Where'd he go? Let Bobby have a turn now. Stand back and let Bobby have a turn.
You come up here.
We're starting to smell that.
Yeah, your pants are all wet now, aren't they?
Yeah. I'm staying up.
Okay, now. We're going to go. It's cold. Kids are going to get sick.
Now let me have a turn.
Come on, Bob. You want to go see if there's a puddle by Papa's house?
Well, I bet there's a big one.
There's not a big bowl pal with big one. With the big ones. It's going to go. It's pretty. I want to go with Daddy, Mom. Look at all the screens. Just go.
Come on, Bob. Bobby. Bob.
I want to come with you, Dad.
Come on, Bobby.
I want to come with you.
No, Mommy wants you to go to the mall with us. Come on, Bob.
No, I don't want
Say
to go.
bye-bye to Mommy.
I don't want to go to the mall, Daddy.
Bye-bye to stairs.
Up here I am. I love you.
I'm going to splash in the puddle.
Why don't you just stay home?
For me?
Going up?
across the street. I think you better bring dry pants.
I love you, Bob.
You hear? Dry pants?
Yes, Al, I heard you.
Go get my first pants. Go get them, please.
You need fresh pants?
Bear doing.
That's a sheep. And what's in front of us here?
What's it doing? Huh?
Goats.
You come me here?
Pygmy goats.
What's the sheep doing?
He's going, "Arr."
Hi.
Yeah, he's doing.
Okay, you go. I'll take your picture. Wave to me, Mike.
I'm going to play tomorrow.
Okay, wave to me, Mike. Honk, 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 honk. Honk, honk, honk. Flapping your wings.
What's that?
It's a duck. That's a duck. What did the duck say? What's that, Bobby?
Oopsie and pig.
What does the pig say?
Oink, oink.
Do you see the pig?
What's that?
Where is he?
I'm saying the birdie.
What?
It's a pig thing doing.
He's eating like a pig.
Huh?
Eating like a pig.
Eating like a pig?
What kind of a ride is that, Michael?
Is that a dolphin, right? What is this? A dolphin?
Let's go see that guy over there.
Llama?
Come
closer.
Bobby, that's a llama. What does a llama say? Neither do I. What does a llama say? Nice teeth. What does a sheep say? Bob?
What kind of animal is she?
Bobby?
There's a polar bear.
That's not a polar bear, that's a sheep.
They're not good sheep.
What does a sheep say?
This is sheep.
Those are sheep?
This is a polar bear.
That's not a pole. We're going to get something to eat. Bobby, want a burger? Bobby, want a burger? Want a burger?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. What are you looking at?
The elephants.
The elephants, how big are they?
What?
How big are elephants?
Boy, look at him moving the tree, Mike. Look at him moving the tree. See it? See it? Moving that whole big tree, huh?
I see it. I see it, Daddy.
You see it, Bob?
I see big sheep.
You see him? He's pushing that whole big tree. That's a big, heavy tree. Well, we'll go in there in a minute. Let's see if that elephant knocks the tree over. Just want to see if he knocks it over.
I can see it. It's a chair, Mama.
What, honey?
It's a chair.
You see the big elephant?
No. Big.
It's a big elephant.
Good shoot, Mama. Good shoot, Apple.
What do you see, Bobby? What are those? What are those, Mike?
Mike, here goes.
Mike,
Look at him go.
Oh, the monkeys are always fun. What kind of monkeys are these?
black ones. What are the brown ones? They used to be outside.
Maybe they'll do something funny. Jump up and down, Mikey. See if the monkey jumps up and down with you. Let's see that again, Sal. Do it again. Look at that monkey. You do it, Mike.
No. I want to go out.
What are they eating?
I don't know. They must be orange. Monkeys love bananas.
That's right, they do.
I think they're eating bananas. I think they like orange bananas. Yeah.
There's ones that go like 6, 7.
What was that, Bobby?
Carrots. He dropped one.
Sit on your bottom, please.
Here they go. Swinging around.
I remember when I went
I didn't know they could swing around with a carrot in their hand.
Oh, they're very agile. They could do just about anything.
But we went there, and there was a big, huge thing like this, and the gorillas knew exactly how to get everyone's attention. And we were
Is that
standing
how he
right
gets
by the glass,
outside?
and they'd run up, and they were huge, and they'd hit the glass. And then they'd go over and they'd eat.
Oh, you don't.
They'd eat it. They'd stick their finger and they'd go like this, and it was really gross.
You know what they used to do?
Mommy and Daddy are swinging.
My dad drove us to
Look how strong they are.
the zoo.
They're very strong.
Going to fall, Mama.
No, he's not gonna fall. He could swing like that for hours. Look at the expression on that one in the corner.
Oh my goodness. They're getting an early education.
One time, Dusty was at a zoo, and he was standing up.
Look at those. Look at him. Way up there. Look at his feet.
What's the monkey doing, Bob?
Huh?
What is he doing?
I know.
You don't know? Michael, careful with that. There's a little girl in front of you.
Mommy, I see the little baby. I saw the little baby.
What is the little baby doing?
I don't know.
Watch and see.
Is it bad?
The baby got
He's a big guy. He's just
Really?
Just
You need a
shake
flash
my
on this?
coat. I'm sure they're in there.
Huh?
Yes.
Oh, is that airplane flying? You got your tree yet? You built a tree?
Yeah.
Well, there's your present, Michael. Well, that's it, I know. You want to talk to me anymore?
What's this?
Did you have something to say to Santa?
I want this.
Tissues for me. Well, I'm going to need those. You'd be surprised all the little goodies I get on myself. Yeah, I appreciate that, Michael. Okay, and you have a very Merry Christmas, huh?
That's nice,
Okay.
Say same to you,
And
Santa.
where's your brother?
Thank you. Love you. See you later. Bye.
Hey, Bobby. Hey, Bobby, you want to come over and see me?
You don't have to sit on his lap. You could just go over and say hello if you want, sweetheart. It's okay. You don't have to. You don't have to.
What I got for you, Bob?
Want mommy to take you there?
I'll take it, please.
No, that's okay, Mike. Stay there.
Maybe Mommy will come over.
Can get any photos?
You don't have to sit on his lap. You can just go over together and say hello.
Well, now look what we got here, Bobby. Bobby, you gonna come back and get your picture taken pretty soon?
Tell me again, Bob, what are you watching? Take your hands off your mouth. I can't hear you. What are you watching?
Hey, Willie.
Free Willy?
Yeah.
Who is Willy?
Yeah.
He's a what?
Whale is Free Willie.
The whale is Free Willy. There he is. Bobby loves Free Willy.
I like Free Willie.
Tell me again.
I like Free Willie.
Yes, you do. What does he do for the boy? What does Free Willy do for the boy? I'm going to turn the volume down so we can hear you a little bit better. Okay.
I see.
You can still see it.
I want to see this. Still not my see. I see.
This is surely one of Bobby's favorite movies. What happened when the boy fell in the water? What did Free Willy do?
A boat. Boat flew in the whole boat. Free whale in the boat.
What are they doing?
They're playing the boat.
Are they trying to catch him?
Yeah.
Are those the bad guys?
Whale guys try to get the Free Willy. They're trying to get the Free Willy. Trying to get the Free Willy.
Is that his family?
No.
Hi, Mike. Do you want to look in the camera and say hello and Merry Christmas to everybody in New York?
Yeah.
Okay. No, I meant, I didn't mean look in the viewer. I meant look at me and say it. Go stand over there and look at me.
I like everybody in New York.
You like everybody in New York?
Ah, Free was caught.
Yeah, they caught him. Poor Free Willy.
What happened?
He got caught in the net.
They do.
Bobby,
There's a boat, a big boat.
Bobby, what happened when the boy fell in the water?
I'm looking at the video camera. I'm looking at that.
Okay, just make sure you see Bobby. What happened when the boy fell in the water?
No.
Did Free Willy take care of him?
Mommy, I want to get this better here. No? Got it. I'm looking down. I'm going to look down now.
No. Don't pull on this, Michael. It's a $800 camera.
80.
Bobby, Bobby, take your fingers out of your nose and say, I love you, Nana and Papa.
I love you, Papa.
And I miss you.
I miss you.
Have a Merry Christmas.
Have Merry Christmas, Nana and Papa. I'm gonna. No.
What is that feeling you're doing?
So, because she does know, I think she told Nancy, Nancy hasn't already done this, and I'm going to stay in. I'm just thinking that maybe just January, maybe December was just
Hey, Bob. Hi.
so unless Jim's here.
No, he does. That way has chicken pox in it. He was in class the day before he broke out.
You want to get a few things? Because hairdo,
Bob. Bobby. Hey, Bob. What's Bobby say? Tell me, what's Bobby say? Bravo. Hi. What's the daddy say? Huh? What's Bobby say? Pick me up.
Can you sing the Jingle Bell song? Bobby, sing the Jingle Bell song to Daddy. Sing Jingle Bells. Look at Daddy and sing it.
Bobby, look at me.
This one has 2 rats.
Bobby, yeah.
More clothes.
Wow, let's see what they are. Put them up there.
These are football cards. Football cards? Card. Clothes. Better hurry up. Yeah. I have the tail box on this one.
So much for saving that box.
5 cheese.
Oh, neato. Oh, they're beautiful. Who are they from?
And Joe and Uncle.
Uncle Mike and Aunt Diane.
I wonder who's the...
Thank you, Mike and Diane.
Oh, cool, Bob.
Wish you were here.
Wish you were here.
Bobby, what'd you get?
Pants.
Oh, how handsome. What do you say?
Thanks.
Thanks, Mike and Diane.
Thanks, Diane.
And Mike.
Mike.
I love you and I miss you.
I miss you, Mike.
Blow a kiss. Okay. Those are very handsome. Let me see the pants. That's the shirt. Let me see the pants. Oh, how handsome. They go together so nicely.
It's a fox.
Bobby, look out. We gotta get the bottom now.
All right, let's go.
Get the stickers
Here we go.
on
This way.
out.
There you go.
Yeah, that's easy.
Mike.
Okay, Bob, pull open the top. Thank you.
Good thing I laid in the sleeping bag.
Yeah, good thing.
Fast, fast. Papa?
Pull hard here, Bob. Pull here. Hard. Pull hard. Okay, now pull hard over here. Pull hard here again. Pull hard.
Oh.
Okay.
He's gonna be there too.
boy.
Papa. Hey, Poppy, see, I was right.
You were right, all right.
Bobby's had a hole in it.
Oh, wow.
Where's it gonna sit on?
I don't know, we'll have to move the box. Put the box on top of that.
Here you go, Bob. That'll be a good box for,
I can play around in this one.
Yeah, put all the paper in one of those and bring it across and burn it later.
Well, look how strong Bobby is.
Look out, Papa. There's a little guy behind.
Look at how strong Bobby is, yeah.
Dinosaur. Look how high I can get mine.
That's great.
Hey.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Those are from Nana and Papa LaMonica, boys. Those bead bags. They're from Nana and Papa LaMonica. They brought them over in the